Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a latest model, AI model which is released in the market. It's called as OX Alpha. It's developed by this company Stealth and it's available on OpenRouter. If you directly go to openrouter.ai, it's recently released yesterday. Simply search for this model which is OX Alpha. So this model will come and I will show you how to use it free and unlimited on OpenCode AI coding agent. So right here it's a free model. It has a 1 million context window. It was released yesterday, August 21st, 2026. You can even try this on OpenRouter, but for this you do need to create an account and get the API key. I will show you alternative way where this is completely free. So just install this OpenCode. It's a open source AI coding agent. So right here, it is available as a free AI coding model. Simply install this. I've already installed it. Simply copy this command to install this on Windows. It's available. I've already installed it. So let me just show you. Let me just type OpenCode. So this will open the AI coding agent. So once you open this, the agent will start and you will be able to access this model for completely free. OX Alpha developed by Stealth. So now the interface looks something like this. Slash models. Simply type this command and right here in the search bar you actually type for the free model. Just type free and you basically see this OX Alpha free unlimited. So this is completely unlimited provided by OpenCode. Simply select this, select the variant. Let me select the maxed variant. So I selected this. It is totally free and unlimited. You don't need any kind of subscription for this. Simply I type a message. So now as you will see, it will respond to me. So this offers can expire anytime. So don't waste any time. Simply install OpenCode and start using this model. At this moment of time, it's totally free and unlimited. You will see it will respond to me. Hi, how can I help you with your project today? So what we will do, I will build out a simple application. So let me just delete everything. So I will simply tell this to actually build out a application. So let me just simply tell build a image to PDF web app fully with all options in browser. Create a index. So I simply type the prompt here. I want this fully image to PDF web app with all features in browser. So you will see that guys, it's very fast model with a very good speed. So it actually are listing out the requirements and the features that the application will have, and then it will be writing the code for you. So once it completes, you will get a notification that your file has been created. So as you see, it is consuming this tokens. It is at 1%. So it is completely free and unlimited providing by OpenCode. It's a very brand new model just released yesterday, and basically as you see now, it's actually writing the code for you. So basically it is creating this description, listing out all the libraries, what sort of thing it will use, and after that it will start creating the app. So it's actually listed out that it is completely unlimited. So it's free and unlimited. There is no restrictions to it as this is just released. So that's why they are providing this for totally free. Let me also show you they actually made a X post OpenCode. If you check out their X, they have made this Twitter post, a tweet about this that they have actually making this model completely free. So if this is their official X page, so right here you can even check out their tweet. August 21. OS Alpha is now available on OpenCode Go 2. For the next 6 days, usage is near unlimited and completely free. It won't count against your usage. So this model, 1 million context multi-model zero data retention, it's completely free and unlimited for the next 6 days. So here you can try this model as you see for the next 6 days. So don't waste any time. As you see, it's still building out it. If you want to stop it, you can press the escape key. You can simply say top Node.js frameworks in 2026. You can ask any kind of question to it and then it will respond to you. So basically it will do the web research. It will research this on Google, multiple websites. So then it will show you the top 10 frameworks. So as you see guys, you can actually ask any kind of question to it. The model is pretty fast and it's available on OpenCode as free and unlimited. So this is the best way by which you can use this and test out this model, and you can say which model are you. So the organization company has not been disclosed. It's actually undisclosed. So it's called as OX Alpha Stealth. The company hasn't been released, so it's available on OpenCode CLI. This is the only AI coding agent which is providing this for totally free. So simply install OpenCode and you simply go to slash models and select this OX Alpha free unlimited and then start using it to create applications. So definitely try this and thank you very much for watching this video.